Hello everyone. In today's scholarly profile, I'm going to be doing is birds. Not just one. We'll be doing 6 of them. And they are birds of the jungle canopy. While birds may not have laid exclusive claims to the sky of Skull Island because those worlds already been taken over by flying rodents and a cynodont that reigns supreme. They are represented in good number nonetheless. Their most impressive and their representatives are undoubtedly the giant flying flightless avians that rival some not even dinosaurs in size. But in the heights of the jungle canopy, a collection of remarkable and unique species leave their own in indelible stamp on the world's natural history. The dapper crow is a species of bird found on Skull Island. Skull Island's only indigenous corvid species, meaning it is related to the crow. The dapper crow as a corvid is one of the most intelligent birds on the island, easily rivaling those of primates. Unlike the majority of corvids, this bird is incredibly colorful rather than dull black. These birds appear to have yellow underbelly with red and dark bluish feathers on their entire bodies, making them incredibly vivid within the thick jungle canopies of Skull Island. Its colorful nature mimics that of the birds of paradise from Papua New Guinea, given that the birds of paradise are also closely related to the corvids. This might yet be another example of convergent evolution. Dark wing. The dark wing is a bird native to Skull Island and is dedicated insectivore. It resembles a woodpecker, but despite its appearance, it is not related to the woodpeckers because it isn't. A bird analogous to woodpeckers, yet it is one of the different group. The dark wing is an example of convergent evolution. Like the woodpeckers, the dark wing has a taste for wood-boring insects and will gorge into the wood to get them. As its name implies, the wings of the dark wing is quite dark and muted, possible to act as a camouflage system against predators. The feathers have blue overcoat, although the underbelly of a dark wing is noticeable lighter, almost beige in coloration. And for its ancestor and its relative, this bird doesn't belong to any other type of family of birds. So, either it's a new species of bird that hasn't been named or described, or it came from another lineage that took a convergent evolution of woodpeckers. Whatever it is, we will never know. Marshall parrot. The Marshall parrot, or Lothostachys marsharensis, is a small bird that lives in trees. It is closely related to the carrion parrots, as well as the surviving relative of the extinct broad-billed parrot, meaning this parrot is related to that extinct bird. The Marshall parrot is dramatically bigger than even the largest carrion parrots. It has a wingspan of up to 2 meters or 6.5 feet, unlike their cousins. The carrion parrots, these species, is more traditional as it feeds on fruits, seeds, and insects. This bird is an example of convergent evolution since its appearance and behavior is similar to that of the macaws found in South America. It also is one of the most colorful birds on Skull Island, possessing vivid hue of green, yellow, and blue. It is the best recognized by its white feathers covering its face and cheeks. By sharing the same name, the Marshall parrot could be a surviving species of the extinct broad-billed parrot. This means by extension, the carrion parrots are also related to that board-nosed parrot. Now, how did this board-billed parrot manages to reach Skull Island? It's unknown how they got there. Either that the humans brought them to the island, or if the parrots got into the driftwood and drift to the Skull Island. Whatever how they got there is still a mystery. So stay tuned for part 2. See you later, guys.